Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into building AI agent workflows with langgraph. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide with code examples, breaking down the process into understandable steps. We'll cover the key concepts, walk through setting up your environment, define the agent, create the graph, and finally, execute the workflow. Introduction to langgraph. Langgraph is a library designed to simplify the creation and management of complex, multi-agent conversational workflows. It provides a graph-based structure for defining how different agents interact and make decisions, enabling you to orchestrate intricate AI systems. Key concepts nodes represent individual components in your workflow. These can be agents, tools, or simple processing functions. Each node performs a specific task. Edges define the connections between nodes, specifying the flow of information. You can have conditional edges that determine which node is executed next based on certain criteria. Graph. The graph, directed acyclic graph or DAG, ties together the nodes and edges, defining the complete workflow. Langgraph helps you define the connections between the nodes. State. Langgraph helps manage a shared state that's passed between nodes during execution. This state allows nodes to access and update relevant information as the workflow progresses. Agent. An agent can call tools or complete the given task and give final answer. Benefits of using langgraph. Modularity. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable units. Flexibility. Define custom logic and control the flow of execution. Reusability. Reuse components and workflows in different applications. Observability. Track the execution of your workflow and debug issues. Scalability. Design workflows that can handle increasing complexity. 2. Setting up your environment. 1. Install dependencies. First, create a new Python environment, recommended, and install the necessary packages. 2. API keys. You'll need API keys for the LLMs you're using, like OpenAI, as well as any tools. Store these keys securely, example using environment variables. Replace the placeholders with your actual API keys. 3. Example workflow, a simple research agent. Let's create a workflow where an agent receives a question, uses a search tool to gather information, and then provides a response based on the search results. 1. Defining the tools. 2. Defining the agent. 3. Creating the langgraph. 4. Running the agent workflow. Complete code. Explanation. Tool definitions. We define two search tools, Tavily and DuckDuckGo. You can choose one, the other, or both. The tool class allows you to give the tool a name and description for the agent to use. Agent initialization. We initialize a chat OpenAI model and then use initialize_agent to create an agent capable of using the tools. Agent type.openA_functions is recommended. State definition. Agent state is a type dict that defines the structure of the state object passed between nodes. It contains the query, the user's question, and messages, a list of messages representing the chat history. Agent_node function. This function encapsulates the agent call. It takes the current state, containing the query and message history, and invokes the agent with this information. The agent returns a response, which is added to the messages list in the return state. Graph construction. Asterisk we create a state graph using the agent state as the state type. Asterisk we add the agent underscore node as a node in the graph. Asterisk set underscore entry underscore point sets the starting node of the graph. Asterisk add underscore edge defines the connection between the agent node and the end node, indicating the end of the workflow. Asterisk execution asterisk. Asterisk we create an initial inputs dictionary containing the user's query and an empty messages list. Asterisk we call graph.invoke, inputs, to execute the graph with the initial input. The invoke method executes the nodes in the graph according to the defined edges and the current state. Asterisk the final result is printed. 4. Extending the workflow with conditional logic. Let's make the workflow more sophisticated by adding conditional logic. Suppose we want the agent to first summarize the search results and then decide whether to perform another search based on the content of the summary. Changes and explanations asterisk. Asterisk agent state updated asterisk the agent state now includes search underscore results and summary to store the intermediate outputs. Asterisk summarize underscore results function asterisk we added a function to summarize the search results. Asterisk nodes asterisk we create nodes for searching, search underscore node, summarizing, summarize underscore node, and the agent, agent underscore node. The agent underscore node is modified to use the summary. Asterisk should underscore search function asterisk this is a conditional function. It takes the agent state and determines whether another search is necessary based on the summary. If the summary suggests the need for more information, example if it contains the phrase more information, it returns search. Otherwise, it returns agent. Asterisk conditional edge asterisk workflow.add underscore conditional underscore edges adds a conditional edge that determines which node to go to next based on the output of the should underscore search function. Asterisk edges asterisk we define edges connecting the nodes. The workflow now flows, search dash summarize dash should underscore search, which branches back to search or goes to agent dash end. Asterisk initial input asterisk the inputs dictionary is initialized with search underscore results and summary set to none. Workflow logic asterisk. 1. The workflow starts with a search using the search underscore node. 2. The search results are then passed to the summarize underscore node. 3. The summarize underscore node generates a summary of the search results. 4. The should underscore search function examines the summary and determines if more information is needed. 5. If should underscore search returns search, the workflow goes back to the search underscore node for another search. 6. If should underscore search returns agent, the workflow goes to the agent underscore node, which uses the original query and the summary of the search results to generate a final answer. 7. The agent's response is then returned as the final result. V. Adding memory/conversation history. To make the agent more conversational, you can incorporate memory. Here's an example of how to store conversation history in the agent state. Key change asterisk. Asterisk updating messages in agent underscore node asterisk after the agent generates a response. The agent underscore node now adds the agent's response to the messages list before returning. This messages list is then passed to the next node in the workflow. Asterisk second turn asterisk shows how to pass the messages from previous turn to make the conversation continuous. 6. Advanced considerations. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement error handling within the nodes to gracefully handle exceptions and prevent the workflow from crashing. Asterisk logging and monitoring asterisk add logging to track the execution of each node, including inputs, outputs, and any errors. Consider using a monitoring tool to visualize the workflow and identify performance bottlenecks. Asterisk parallel execution asterisk for workflows with independent branches, explore parallel execution to improve performance. Langgraph provides mechanisms for running nodes concurrently. Custom nodes develop custom nodes to perform specific tasks or integrate with external systems. State management carefully manage the state that is passed between nodes, ensuring that it contains all the information necessary for each node to function correctly. Consider using a more robust state management system for complex workflows. Security if your workflow involves sensitive data or interactions with external systems, implement appropriate security measures to protect against unauthorized access or malicious attacks. 7. Conclusion. LangGraph empowers you to build complex and intelligent agent workflows. By breaking down tasks into smaller, modular components and defining clear connections between them, you can create AI systems that are flexible, reusable, and maintainable. This tutorial has provided a solid foundation for getting started with LangGraph. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced features and create even more sophisticated workflows. Remember to consult the LangChain documentation for the most up-to-date information and examples.